Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick review on my WUBEN X3 EDC flashlight. This is like the head honcho of these EDC flashlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you when I wanted to show the packaging because I'm a fan of it. Like just the way it's like, super cool super cool little box here. So let's move on to the actual device itself. So this is the carrying case. It's made up of nice strong aluminum, so I thought that was super cool. And then this is the device itself. One cool feature that I did want to point, whether it's in or out, this will charge it very quickly, as well as what I thought was super cool. So right here you have a Type-C port. So we'll go ahead and hook it up real quick and check this out. Put this down. I'll just hook up this iPad. Boom. It also serves as a power bank, so that way you can keep all keep up like your phone or your iPad or whatever you need charged at that moment. This can do that as well. So I thought that was a nice feature to have, especially like in the case of an emergency or anything like that. So onto the device itself. Give you a quick turnaround of it. Love that it has that clip, by the way. One of the coolest features on this one is that this will move 180 like that. So you can put it like in your shirt and it'll be showing it that way. Or you're just going to be carrying it like this. Also really cool. If you don't know, it does have a display right here, so I'll fire it up so you can see. So it says 50 lumens there, 150 there. That's the lowest, 150, 700. So that's the max right there. Really nice, honestly. Super cool. And then as you can see, it also has this blue light, which you can turn on if you just hit it 5 times. So that should turn it off. There you go. Or if you like to have it on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. It turns on again. Turn this off. And it also has the red one. 80. And if let's try to hold it. So very cool. So again, if you're looking for, you know, a nice, well-built EDC flashlight, this WUBEN X3 is the go-to. This one will top all of them. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.